The universe is vast, ancient, and brimming with the chemical building blocks of life. There are hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone, and billions of galaxies in the observable universe. The laws of physics are the same everywhere. The probability of life arising and evolving into intelligent, technological beings should be high. And yet, we have never found any evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. The sky is silent. This paradox, the apparent contradiction between the high probability of alien life and the total lack of evidence for it, is known as the Fermi Paradox, named after the legendary physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everybody?" The paradox is one of the most profound mysteries in modern science. It forces us to question our assumptions about the universe and our place within it. There are many proposed solutions to the Fermi Paradox. The most terrifying is the Great Filter. The Great Filter is a hypothetical barrier that prevents life from evolving to the point where it becomes detectable on a cosmic scale. It is a filter that life must pass through. The question is, where is the filter? Is it behind us, in our past, or is it ahead of us in our future? If the filter is behind us, it means that the evolution of intelligent life is incredibly rare. Perhaps the step from simple life to complex life is almost impossible. Perhaps the step from complex life to intelligence is almost impossible. If the filter is behind us, we are the lucky ones. We are the exception, the survivors of a cosmic lottery. This is a comforting thought. But if the filter is ahead of us, it is a terrifying prospect. It means that we have already passed the initial stages of the development of intelligence, but we are now facing a barrier that destroys civilizations before they can reach the stars. The Great Filter could be a number of things. It could be the development of nuclear weapons. It could be a global pandemic. It could be climate change. It could be a supervolcano, an asteroid impact, or an out-of-control artificial intelligence. The filter could be the inherent tendency of intelligent life to destroy itself. This is the most chilling possibility. It would mean that the silence of the universe is a graveyard of failed civilizations. It would mean that every advanced species eventually hits a wall of self-destruction. The Fermi Paradox and the Great Filter theory force us to confront our own mortality. They challenge the narrative of human exceptionalism. They suggest that we may be living on borrowed time. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is not just a search for other beings. It is a search for ourselves. It is a search for the answer to the question of whether we are doomed to repeat the mistakes of the past. The silence of the cosmos is deafening. It is a silence that asks us, are you ready for what comes next? There are other possible solutions to the paradox. Perhaps advanced civilizations are out there, but they are hiding from us for reasons we cannot fathom. Perhaps they have transcended physical reality, moving into a virtual existence or a higher dimension that we cannot perceive. Perhaps we are living in a simulation, and the aliens are just the programmers. The possibilities are endless, and each one is as unsettling as the last. The Fermi Paradox has inspired countless works of science fiction and has driven scientific research for decades. It is a question that gets to the heart of our existence. Are we alone? And if we are, what does that say about us? The Great Filter theory is a sobering reminder that the universe is not necessarily a friendly place. It suggests that the challenges we face, from climate change to nuclear proliferation to the development of artificial intelligence, are not just existential risks to our civilization, but potentially universal barriers that every intelligent species must overcome. The fate of humanity may depend on our ability to pass the Great Filter. The silence of the cosmos is a challenge, a call to action. It is a reminder that we must be careful, that we must be wise, and that we must not squander our chance to become a truly great civilization. The stars are out there, waiting for us, but we must first prove ourselves worthy of the journey.